Deer and small animals feed on your plants every month of the year, so it's important to keep using #1 rated Bobbex repellents year-round. Application varies slightly with the seasons, so here are a few tips. In the spring, you want to spray when plants first emerge from 1/2 inch out of the ground. Continue to spray with each 1 to 2 inches of new growth, about every 7 to 14 days. This is especially important for deer favorites like tulips and hosta. Be careful in early spring not to spray if the temperature dips below 35 degrees Fahrenheit. In the summer, it's best to spray in early morning when it's cooler. Do not spray when the temps are above 85 degrees Fahrenheit, as, like a magnifying glass, the liquid can concentrate the sun and damage plant surfaces. Apply when plants are dry, winds are calm, and you know it won't rain for at least 6 hours. Once dry, it won't wash off. Keep spraying on every 1 to 2 inches of new growth. This happens faster in the summer. In the fall, if you keep spraying regularly, you'll condition the deer to look for nourishment elsewhere, even as food supplies start to dwindle. It's especially important to keep spraying evergreens that are deer favorite, such as arborvitae, holly, and rhododendrons. Fall would also be the time to plant your bulbs after first dipping them in Bobbex to keep plant predators from feasting on them over the winter. Even in the winter, you need to spray, but only about every 2 months. Again, make sure the temperature is above 35 degrees Fahrenheit. You don't want the liquid to freeze on the leaves, causing them to turn brown on the edges. Once you've conditioned deer to avoid your property, a lapse in prevention will most likely encourage deer to return. Diligently practicing deer deterrence in every season with Bobbex will guarantee you gorgeous plants year-round. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.